Hello filmmaker, welcome back. If you're new, I'm Monica Bryant and this channel is a living document of my journey as a filmmaker. Today I will be unboxing, testing, and reviewing some LED lights. The Vivitar Creator Series. These are 120 full color, full spectrum white LED studio lights. Woo! I bought this from Walmart. It was $39.88 plus tax. But don't worry, I can afford it because I worked overtime at my day job last week. You'll notice that this video is split up into chapters in case you want to skip around. This is the intro. Next, I'll have the unboxing where I'll take everything out and show you everything that's inside. Then I'll show you how it works, show you the mechanics of it, syncing it to the app on your phone and all that good stuff. Then I'll do a demonstration where I'll be performing a monologue for you and light myself using the LED lights. And finally, I'll end with a conclusion where I'll tell you my final thoughts, if I recommend it or not, and you'll get to see my cute little outro. So let's get started. So as you can see, there's only 3 items in the box. The light itself, instruction booklet that comes with a handy little QR code that we're going to use later, and this little ball joint thing that you attach to your tripod. The LED light itself is actually very heavy. It's got some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Definitely feels worth the money. So here I'm scanning the QR code. I get the Light Deck app downloaded onto my phone. And I just accepted, yes, you can use my Bluetooth. I didn't read the terms or conditions. I just accepted them without reading them. I don't know if I just sold my soul to Satan or whatever. You are welcome to read them, but I like to live on the edge. So once you plug your light in, it can pick it up on the app and you just press yes to connect. When it's connected, the power button pops up and you turn it on. You can turn it on and off through the app itself. And it has this neat little color wheel. So we're gonna set it up and try out the colors and see what they look like. Beyonce was right. Beyonce was right. You can't put black girls in blue lighting. She was right. Look at me. I look scary. Ooh. I could probably use that for like a horror thing though. My skin looks so shiny because I'm sweating. It's super hot in here, but let's do this. Let all the dukes and all the devils roar. I have ventured for him, and out I have brought him. To a little wood a mile hence I have sent him, and there he shall keep close till I provide him files and food, for yet his iron bracelets are not off. I love him. Beyond love, and beyond reason or wit or safety. I have made him know it. I care not. I am desperate. If the law find me and condemn me for it, some wenches, some honest-hearted maids will sing my dirge and tell to memory my death was noble, dying almost a martyr. That way he takes, I purpose, is my way too. Surely he cannot be so unmanly as to leave me here. If he do, maids will not so easily trust men again. And yet, he has not thanked me for what I have done. No, not even kissed me. And that, methinks, is not so well. Scene. And scene. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, theys and thems. That is the conclusion. What would I rate the Vivitar Creator Series LED light, 120 LED light? It has white light. It has full color spectrum lighting. You can dim it. You can control the saturation with an app on your phone, which I thought was super convenient. It hooked up really fast. It was easy. I didn't even have to read the instructions. It was self-explanatory once you open the app. So ease of use, I would definitely say 10 out of 10. I really like the weight of the light. It feels heavy. It feels like a real piece of equipment. It doesn't feel like, you know, a piece of plastic. It's got metal casing and glass on it. Being able to plug it in and not have something that's battery operated is also a big plus for me. I have so many LED lights that are battery operated, and I really didn't want to buy something else that needs batteries because batteries are expensive. I do like the colors. I think that this light is going to add a lot of fun things that I can do with my short films. I have a short film that I'm planning for October, and I'm hoping the addition of this light is going to add a little bit more style, you know, just to be able to play with my lighting a little bit more, because I get tired of just using like my tungstens or, you know, my regular boring light bulbs. So I think this is going to add something really cool. Would I recommend it? For the price, definitely yes. It was $39.88 plus tax at Walmart. And, you know, if you're going to spend like $40 at Starbucks throughout the month, then it's definitely worth it. I'm hoping that it lasts. There was a little weirdness with the blue light because, you know, like Beyonce said, you can't put black girls in blue lighting. But perhaps I can use the blue lighting for like a horror element because I thought it looked really scary under blue lights. So I'm definitely not going to discount it. And I think maybe if I dial back the saturation a little bit, I will be able to find a way to use that lighting. But I am so stoked to use this light in future videos. I'm so happy I bought it. I do not regret my purchase at all. I think if you want to get it, you should definitely go and get it. And best of all, this video is not sponsored. I am not being paid to say these things. I spent my own money, and this is my own honest review. So, with all of that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for joining me on my filmmaking journey. And if you haven't already, then you should subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified when I upload new content. every Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!